Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this series, we'll be exploring the standard cost categories of vehicle ownership. Understanding these costs is essential for all car owners. In this segment, we'll cover the first few categories, so let's get started. The standard costs categories of vehicle ownership. A comprehensive guide when it comes to owning a vehicle. There are various costs that come into play. Understanding the standard costs categories of vehicle ownership is crucial for any car owner or potential buyer. From purchasing the vehicle itself to ongoing expenses like fuel, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation, each category plays a significant role in determining the overall cost of owning a vehicle. In this video, we will delve into each standard cost category, providing valuable insights and tips to help you navigate the financial aspects of owning a car. Depreciation. Depreciation is a crucial factor to consider when evaluating the overall cost of vehicle ownership. It refers to the decline in value of a vehicle over time due to various factors. Understanding depreciation and its impact can help you make informed decisions when it comes to buying, selling, or maintaining a vehicle. Definition of depreciation. Depreciation, in the context of vehicle ownership, can be defined as the reduction in the value of a vehicle over time due to factors such as age, wear and tear, and market demand. It is a natural and inevitable occurrence that affects all vehicles, regardless of their make, model, or initial purchase price. Factors affecting depreciation. Several factors influence the rate of depreciation for a vehicle. These factors include age. As a vehicle gets older, its value tends to decrease. This is because newer models often come with updated features, better fuel efficiency, and improved safety technologies, making older vehicles less desirable in the market. Mileage. The number of miles a vehicle has been driven is a significant determinant of its value. Higher mileage generally indicates more wear and tear, which can negatively impact a vehicle's resale value. Condition. The overall condition of a vehicle, including its interior, exterior, and mechanical components, greatly affects its depreciation. Regular maintenance, repairs, and keeping the vehicle in good shape can help slow down the rate of depreciation. Market demand. The demand for a specific make, model, or vehicle type in the market plays a crucial role in determining its depreciation. Vehicles that are in high demand tend to depreciate slower than those with low market demand. Methods of calculating depreciation. There are various methods used to calculate the depreciation of a vehicle. The two main methods include straight-line depreciation. This method evenly spreads the depreciation rate over the lifespan of the vehicle. For example, if a vehicle is expected to depreciate by 20% over 5 years, the depreciation rate would be 4% per year. Diminishing balance depreciation. In this method, the depreciation rate is higher in the early years and gradually decreases over time. It recognizes that the highest devaluation occurs during the initial years of ownership. This method aligns with the reality that vehicles often depreciate quickly in the early years and slow down as they age. Understanding the concept of depreciation, the factors influencing it, and the methods used to calculate it can help you make informed decisions regarding vehicle ownership. By considering these factors, you can estimate the future value of a vehicle and plan your purchase, maintenance, and resale strategies accordingly. Insurance. Vehicle insurance is a crucial aspect of owning and operating a vehicle. It provides financial protection in case of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. In this section, we will explore the importance of vehicle insurance, the different types of insurance coverage available, and the factors that can affect insurance premiums. Importance of vehicle insurance. Having vehicle insurance is not just a legal requirement in most jurisdictions, but it is also essential for your peace of mind. Accidents can happen at any time, and being adequately insured can save you from significant financial burdens. Vehicle insurance provides coverage for various scenarios, including liability coverage. This protects you against legal and financial liabilities if you cause an accident that injures someone else or damages their property. Collision coverage. This covers the cost of repairing or replacing your own vehicle if it is damaged in a collision, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage. This protects against non-collision related damages, such as theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. Medical payments coverage. This covers medical expenses for you and your passengers in case of injury in an accident, regardless of fault. Types of vehicle insurance. When it comes to vehicle insurance, there are several types of coverage available. Some of the most common ones include liability insurance. This is the minimum requirement in most jurisdictions and covers the costs of injuries or property damage you cause to others. Collision insurance. This coverage pays for the repair or replacement of your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision, regardless of fault. Comprehensive insurance, also known as other than collision coverage. This protects your vehicle against non-collision related damages like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This covers you if you are involved in an accident caused by a driver who either has no insurance or inadequate coverage to fully compensate you. Personal injury protection (PIP) insurance. PIP coverage pays for medical expenses and other related costs in case of injury to you or your passengers, regardless of who is at fault. Factors affecting insurance. Premiums. Insurance premiums vary depending on several factors. These factors are taken into account by insurance providers when determining the cost of your coverage. Some of the key factors affecting insurance premiums include driving record. A clean driving record with no accidents or traffic violations generally leads to lower premiums, as it suggests lower risk. Vehicle type. The make, model, age, and value of your vehicle can impact your insurance premiums. More expensive or high-performance vehicles usually have higher premiums. Usage of the vehicle. The frequency of vehicle use, such as daily commuting or occasional recreational use, can affect insurance rates. Location. Where you live and park your vehicle plays a role in determining premiums. Areas with higher crime rates or higher traffic congestion may have higher insurance costs. Personal factors. Your age, gender, marital status, and credit history can also impact your insurance premiums. It is important to understand these factors and discuss them with your insurance provider to ensure you have the right coverage at a reasonable price. Remember, having vehicle insurance is not only a legal requirement but also a smart financial move. It provides you with protection and peace of mind, knowing that you are covered in case of unforeseen events. Fuel costs. Fuel costs are a significant consideration for vehicle owners, as they contribute to the overall expenses of owning and maintaining a vehicle. We will now explore different aspects of fuel costs, including types of fuel, factors affecting fuel costs, and the importance of fuel efficiency. Types of fuel. When it comes to fueling vehicles, there are various types of fuel available. The most common ones include gasoline. Gasoline, also referred to as petrol, is the most widely used fuel for vehicles. It is typically used in gasoline-powered cars, motorcycles, and some light trucks. Diesel. Diesel fuel is commonly used in diesel-powered vehicles, such as heavy-duty trucks, buses, and some cars. Diesel engines tend to be more fuel-efficient than gasoline engines, making diesel a popular choice for long-haul transportation. Ethanol. Ethanol is a type of biofuel derived from crops such as corn or sugarcane. It is often blended with gasoline to produce a fuel known as E10, 10% ethanol, 90% gasoline, or E85, 85% ethanol, 15% gasoline. Electric. Electric vehicles, EVs, are powered by electricity stored in batteries. They offer an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional combustion engines. That concludes the first part of our series on vehicle ownership costs. We hope you found this information enlightening and valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the world of automobiles. Join us in Part 2, where we'll delve into more aspects of vehicle ownership costs. Thank you for watching.